But the electric saw quit on me. So I might have made a mistake and I opened it into pieces thinking that I thought that this arm was a switch. This arm turned to be a guard. It's not a switch, it does not move. It doesn't seem that there is a problem with it. I come back to it, but before I do that, I have to make sure first I have electric power. Don't think it might be just a simple problem with having no electric power. So, to see here, there is no electric power here. This is off. So the saw is that saw is okay. The problem it is my laziness to go out and find a tester. Let us see here if we have power here. This is the second. This is the line of power. Do we have power here? Before I go any further, take that off. Put that connection. There is no power here, so there is no power. So the problem is the power. My other tester is somewhere too hard to find. At least I realize that there is no power here. So I might have to trace the line to the outlet. Do we have power here? So there is power here. The power is lost somewhere. Perfect. Let's connect this. I already have a shortage in the house, so there is power here. Grab this line to see where the power is lost. This line is comes here. Oh, this is maybe the problem. You loser. This is the problem right here. That is a bad choice. When you connect this, there is no power here. So this section of the cord is bad. This is the problem right here. Let's go back again, make sure this is really the problem. I came back here again to make sure I'm not being fooled. We go back, connect this line. There's power. So this is a line that is a problem. We lose. Okay, we have a problem with that line. That ending. It's a bad connection. With that connection, is here. This is a bad portion. Maybe because I removed. Oh, I think I might know why. No, I might not know why. something bad in this terminal. Let's connect this again. We'll connect this part, and this is the other part. That's the terminal. It's causing loss of power. There is no power, which means that it's just a bad connection. So this portion here is the problem. That is easy to solve. Now let us go to our friends, the saw. That is an innocent saw. Let us start from the power inlet. This is the power. It comes here. It's 2 wires. This is just a connection. There is no switch, anything here. You have 2 wires here. You come here. This is a black switch. It's just a piece of plastic with a spring in it to block, to make it a a 2-hand mechanism. So you stick this one here from outside. You have to push here to trigger the switch. This one just forces you to use 2 hands. One hand to press on here and press on that switch, and one hand presses on that switch in order to turn the switch. When you press on here and you release this one and you come here, that will trigger the switch on and off. This is the electric switch right here. That electric switch, just an open simple circuit, will make the continuity here to trigger the motor. The motor is in the back. The motor has a gear, small gear here. That large gear, I opened it, so I have to bring that to the back. That gear will be driven by that gear. And that is the oil reservoir. It has a line. It is coming out here. It goes here, lubricates this part. It comes here, it goes here, lubricates the motor. Maybe. And I think, no, lubricates the saw. It comes here and it goes on in here and it comes here. This is the lubrication of the saw. So this handle here has nothing but just, it doesn't move anything, it doesn't block anything. So this guy here is innocent. It has nothing, no problem whatsoever. When you turn it, there is nothing here. I just have to bring it back together, stick it together, and it's going to be, I removed all the screws. I have to use both hands, and then you come here to tighten, to close the whole thing. So there was no problem here. That whole work was just because of my hasty decision. I thought the saw is the problem. The saw is not the problem. The problem is a bad cable. Now I am back in business. Removed the bad cable. Put it on the side until I can have a chance to fix it or replace it. And I need to go back to assemble my saw again, to put it together again. I need to put that together the way it was.